Hello everyone and welcome to Master In. My name is Rodrigo Garcia. In this video you will learn how to easily use Suno.com to create music with AI for your personal, school, or work projects. Subscribe, turn on notifications, like, and share. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to the Suno.com page, and at the top right, click on the Make a Song button. On the next page, click on the Sign In dialog at the bottom left to start registering your account or create a new account. You can register with your Apple, Discord, Google, or Microsoft account. You can also register with your mobile phone number, on which you will receive a 6-digit password. With this option, every time you use your mobile, you will have to enter a 6-digit security PIN. I will use my Google account. Once you have signed up, click on the Create button on the left menu. You will have 3 options for creating music. Above you will find a Custom button. If you activate it, you can customize the lyrics and music style. In this example, I will deactivate it. On the right, you can upload an existing song as a creative base, and at the end, choose the AI model to start your creation. Below this option, you have a button to create an instrumental song. Below is a dialogue to describe the type of song. Here you can enter the style of music and more or less what you want the song to describe or convey. For example, I want a song with a jazzy lofi mixed with R&B and happy vibe style. In the bottom right corner, you can see how many characters you can enter. Once you have described the style, click Create. It will take a couple of minutes for 2 songs to be created per round. On the left, you can see how many free credits you have. Each song costs 5 credits and debits 10 per round. That's 50 free credits every 24 hours. At the bottom right, you can see the 2 loading circles, indicating that songs are being generated. If a song cannot be created or is shorter than 5 seconds, 5 credits will be refunded to the budget. Once the covers for the songs are displayed, wait for them to be completed. You will know this when you see the total length of the song. I'll make a quick cut and we'll continue. Once the songs are complete, play them. You can skip ahead and skip the track. If you are happy with the result, to the right of each song you will find 3 dots. Click on them, select the download option, and then audio. The track will be downloaded to your downloads folder. Let's look at the second way to create songs. For this, we will activate the custom option and deactivate the instrumental option. First, let's enter the musical style you want. You can combine the styles, and the AI will do its best to satisfy the taste. At the top, a new box will appear to write or copy and paste our song in the desired language. We can also enter keywords or random words. And below we have the Surprise Me button, which will use the words entered to create a song. Due to policies restrictions, the AI does not create immoral or tasteless songs. However, you can manually enter the lyrics you want. Wait a few seconds for the AI to compose the lyrics. Once created, it will indicate the verses, choruses, bridges, and endings. You can modify the lyrics by adding, removing, or changing words. Add the title to your song, and when you are done, click on Create to generate new songs. When the songs are complete, when you select each result, it will show you the lyrics on the right, which you can copy and paste to save if necessary. Let's hear the results.
The streets we roam by night. Neon lights we hold on tight. Dancing shadows moving fast. The glow inside we thrive. Every night we feel alive. Kicking dust from the ground till the morning.
Let's look at the third option. In this case, I will activate the instrumental button. The AI will create music without lyrics. In the style of music box type and combine the musical styles. Below, again, you have the title box to put the desired title. Above, there is an option to exclude genres or instruments. However, it requires a subscription. Click on Create to get the songs. Let's hear the results. I'll share one last example with you. I'll disable the instrumental button to enter a lyric, change the genre to city pop, and add the title called Pizza and Love. I created a song in Gemini, translated the song into Japanese in Google Translate, and will use those lyrics to compose a song with a specific musical genre. Let's listen to the results again.
愛を形作るようにピザと味すらすことに真実の愛
Once you have used up your credits, you have to wait 24 hours or you can sign up with another account or phone number. Suno allows you to browse your library to listen to your creations. Explore musical alternatives previously created by other users. On this page on the right, you can see rotating musical genres. Click on one of them to play a random song.
Dices adiós, mi amor, con lágrimas beneath the cricket's lawn, crest touched by those.
If you go back to the previous menu, on the left you have the search option to search for songs created by other users as well as songs by musical style. That's all for this video. If you liked it, subscribe, turn on notifications, like and share. If you want to support this channel, buy me a coffee by clicking on the link in the description of this video or scanning the QR code that appears on the screen. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.